Hello everyone, I'm Robert Denham. Today I'm very happy to meet you all on this my very first episode on this channel. The objection of this channel is to bring a digital lifestyle in Taiwan to expats living here and people around the world and understand how AI is applied to our daily life. And today we'll introduce a very common and healthy public transport to you all. You can guess why this. There are three versions of Ubike so far, and today we'll introduce to you on the first version, Ubike 1.0. First of all, you need to download the app Ubike first. We search for the Ubike. Press. And here we have Ubike. We need to take the Ubike 1.0 and press this to download. And now go to the app Ubike 1.0 already download this, so we'll go to the app. And this is we next. This is some introduction. Okay. Allow. And here we have the station map, and you can press on this corner and you can find the nearest Ubike station. The first one is here, and we press in this station there's 33 available for renting and 25 available for returning, and we choose this station already, so we navigate, go to Google Map to navigate to this. And okay, let's go. Okay, now we navigate to the nearest station in this point. Okay, get the navigation like this. Okay, start a navigation. Let's go. Now we arrive at station kiosk, so now we register to the system. First of all, you need to have at least two kind of. One is mobile phone and the easy card. And now we register at the station. Put here. And now we find the bicycle. If you see a bike with the saddle turn backward like this, it means it needs the repair. So don't rent, don't use it, and take to the normal one. And you can check the tire. You can check the tire. You can check the front tire and the rear tire. And the saddle it don't move. And now is the dog. The indicator dog is the green light. Is okay for renting is available. And now we touch the ID card. We touch the card on the dog. Yeah, it's in this a beep. Holding beep beep beep. And you can take it down. Yeah, it's okay. And now we are reaching the station, the Mutiti. So now we find a dog. We find a dog with available dog, and with the blue indicator light is blue. Yeah, like this, and you can put guy knock and put on the way in. And now waiting, and now we can hear the beeping, and you take the car, touch the car on the sensor zone, and you see there's money, and this is the turn the yellow line, the green line. That means your returning is okay.